In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background in Photopea. Begin by opening your Photopea project and loading the image whose background you want to replace. This could be a portrait, product photo, or any image where you want a different background. First, make sure your image layer is selected. To remove the background, click on the Magic Wand tool from the left-hand side of your screen. Then go to the top menu and choose Select Subject. If you are using the free version, you may need to watch an advertisement before the selection is completed. Once processing is finished, you will see a dotted selection around the main subject. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to place the selected subject onto a new layer. You can now hide or ignore the original background layer since it is no longer needed. If required, you can adjust the canvas size or reposition the subject before adding a new background. To add a new background from your device, click on File in the top left corner, then select Open and Place, and choose the image you want to use as your new background. Alternatively, you can use Photopea's built-in stock images by clicking on the Gallery option and searching for a suitable background. Clicking on any image will automatically add it as a new layer. Make sure the background layer is positioned below the subject layer in the Layers panel. If you do not see resize handles around the background image, enable transform controls from the top bar. Use the handles to scale and position the background so it fits perfectly within your project. Once adjusted, your new background will appear seamlessly behind your subject, and this is how you can change background in Photopea.